Welcome to Clover Wheels channel. In this model episode, we will take a look at variations of 5-door Ford Escort Mark III that was made by IXO for different magazines. Since around 2007, and up to this day, IXO is the only producer of these type car models. First model was made for Portugal Altai magazine. It is called as an XR3, but in reality, it is a representation of GL trim level. Later, white-colored models were produced for other country magazines, but with painted interior, different number plates and more realistic rear badge. Overall detail level of these models is average. Its features represent Mark III Escort, but there are a lot of design and geometrical issues that motivates you to send this model for plastic surgery. Best thing about these models is its low price and quite large availability. So, you are free to make any conversions or improvements. Underneath is extremely simplified and features annoying triangle-headed screws. Next in the line is a blue-colored Mark III, that debuted in Polish and French magazines. These models feature right side mirror, but lacks of real light multicolor painting. Also, there is special edition of Spain police car, that has best level of details, such as right side mirror and chrome window surrounds. As I mentioned before, these cheap models are great for making conversions. That's why I have tried to make model of my father's first car. It's painted in blue metallic color, features yellow front fog lights and tow bar. Still, it lacks chrome window surrounds, right side mirror and similar wheel covers. Here we go, different variations of Ford Escort Mark III in 5-door body. Recognizable model for cheap price. Great base for conversions. Hope that you liked this video. Write in comments which variation of these models you have in your collection.